If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 18K gold pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by the British Gold Company. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by DeWitt. Number 3, by Start. For more details about this great 18K gold pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Start. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.